In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Android contacts to iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. With these steps, you will be able to synchronize your contacts between any Android smartphone that you have and your iPhone 15, 15 Pro Max, or any other model. So to do this, we will be using a Gmail account. So for this method, you need to have a Gmail account connected to your Android phone and eventually your iPhone. So open the Contacts app, and depending on which Android phone you have, you will be able to access the menu through different options. For Samsung, it is going to be these three dots over here. However, if you have other manufacturers, then it could be a menu option over here at the top left, top right, and so on. Basically, access the menu and find the option to manage your contacts. Once you have the manage option, you will be able to choose export. So export is going to be the main function that allows us to transfer the contacts. So choose export contacts, and now you will be able to select which contacts you want to transfer over to your iPhone. You can select all of them or choose specific ones. Once you have them selected, one of the options to export to is going to be a Gmail account. So if you see SIM or internal phone storage, ignore this, and what you have to do is transfer them to a Gmail account. If you don't see it here, go to your phone's settings and make sure that you have it connected either under the account category or the Google settings. Now, on your iPhone, access the settings, go into the mail options, choose accounts, and then you will find the option to add a new account. So tap on add when you go over to the accounts that you have connected. When you choose the option to add a new account, you will be able to select Google. Now input the details about your Gmail account, and when you tap on the account that you just added, you will be able to synchronize the contacts. So just tap on this button, eventually it will be turned on, and now the contacts will be synchronized. You will see the contacts that you had previously on your iPhone, but also you will see the ones attributed to the Gmail account that you exported. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Android contacts to iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.